Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2026 Toyota Land Hopper. Rugged, futuristic, and unmistakably Toyota, this brand new SUV is turning heads with its bold styling and promise of next-generation capability. Right off the bat, the front of the Land Hopper is strikingly bold. It blends modern edge with Toyota's iconic SUV heritage. The upright stance, sharp LED headlights, and blacked-out vertical grille give it a commanding, almost military-grade presence. The prominent Toyota lettering across the grille is a nod to the Land Cruiser legacy, but the angular lines and sculpted fenders hint at a fresh direction. The high-clearance bumper and matte black skid plates scream capability. This SUV isn't just for show. Moving around to the rear, the Land Hopper's design doesn't lose its momentum. The taillights are slim and connected with a light bar across the tailgate, accentuating the width of the vehicle. The vertical black strip running through the middle, housing the Toyota logo, is both modern and purposeful. With its squared-off tailgate, geometric surfaces, and the bold Land Hopper badging, the back end gives off strong EV concept vibes, even if it may not be electric just yet. The rear skid plate and integrated reflectors round out a rear that's as capable as it is stylish. Though Toyota has kept the cabin mostly under wraps, rumors and sneak peeks suggest a high-tech, rugged yet premium interior. Expect a digital driver display, a large central infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and plenty of physical buttons for off-road functionality. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed the powertrain, industry speculation suggests the Land Hopper may ride on the TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, the same platform used by the Land Cruiser and Tundra. It can be powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid, offering a balance of power and efficiency, or potentially a non-hybrid variant with an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive will likely be standard, with locking differentials and off-road drive modes, making it a true Toyota off-roader in a compact shell. As for the price, Toyota hasn't revealed official numbers, but analysts predict the starting price will fall between $38,000 to $45,000, depending on the trim and options. That would strategically place it below the new Land Cruiser, but above crossovers like the RAV4. Now, let's talk timing. The 2026 Toyota Land Hopper is expected to debut officially in late 2025, with showroom availability starting early 2026 in select markets like Japan, the US, and Australia. Given its concept-like appearance and Toyota's recent product rollout trends, expect pre-orders to begin shortly after its reveal, with production models hitting dealerships by first quarter of 2026.